off changing that wing anyway, Jim.
See, it has had this new inner wing done, but it ain't been finished welded up yet.
No, this top here, you know it comes into the bonnet. The room where the bonnet sits. Bad job on it.
I'll check it out.
Yeah,
Squash some of this down. Where are we on, Milo?
there, look, see it?
Where?
This bit here.
At this?
No, this bit here. Your side there. Look.
There?
Yeah, so we do with having that whole wing changed.
Yeah.
Really.
Just trying to find one.
That inner wing's got a couple of holes in it, Jim. Battery tray's alright. See that hole there, that's on the inner wing?
Yeah, she's got bits and bobs that needs doing, mate. She's been sat outside for years, hasn't it?
Managed to sat here for 2 years.
You stamp all the stamps, mate.
Give her another 2 or 3 years, boy.
Give her another 6 months and she will be finished.
Oh, I wouldn't rush it, take your time with it.
It's going to be done, and when it gets back,
doing it?
when she goes back next week, mate, it'll be all the welding will be done. She'll be priming up and ready to be.
He's ready, then what?
He's there again, look. Man's making
off,
YouTube videos and he's there again. You go and freeze your tits off in the motor then.
Fucking freezing me balls off here, man.
Language in front of my YouTube fans.
Come on, man.
No way, Jose. You're all in a rush. You're always trying to rush me out. Calm down. If it snows, it snows. Does that look like it's going to snow, anyone? Clear blue skies as far as the eye can see. Old battery trays is alright. Right, fire it up then, Adam. Steering box is good. Exhaust pipe's good. It's got a brand new exhaust pipe on it. Oh. Woof. Need engine mount there.
Someone showed the cat off it.
No way. We'll be seeing you soon. Yeah, I've got every logbook, every MOT, every tax list, all the service papers, original delivery receipts and paperwork. I've got every paperwork from this truck from brand new. That's the new floor plate for it.
Like I said, yeah, this is
The new chassis. This was the original floor plate, but what I didn't know then, what I do now, the difference between the diesel and the petrol is the shape of the bulkhead. So that one didn't actually fit, so I had to go and get that one out of a diesel van. Wow, yeah.